Hi everyone! Welcome to Bim Bim and Mommy Tess Vlogs!
Welcome to Nurses Pinning Clinical Graduation.
Congratulations! Congratulations! Honey! Yung anak ko nag-aayos.
Let us now welcome the Yoga Technical College School part-time clinical instructors. Our full-time clinical instructors, who have February and non-final sessions, Rowena Esther Canera, Dr. Kenneth Cruz, Dr. Kate Flores.
By the powers vested in me by the Board of Directors of Media Aguinaldo Educational Corporation and the Commission on Higher Education, in my capacity as the Vice President of Academic Affairs, I confirm to the 294 Bachelor of Science in Nursing learners who satisfactorily completed the 2,550 hours of related learning experience as clinical graduates leading to the degree of Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Congratulations, you may now receive your ring and pin. Vanessa May King. Ayala Aliyah Aiselin C.
remember this moment in the back of my mind. The time stood and shaking hands, the crowds incense went wild. We were the kings and the queens, and they were the funny.
Dito kadami yung graduate.
Colors to be ushered in by the EAC Cavite School of Criminology students, followed by an invocation to be led by the EAC Chorale.
Today, your hard work is finally paying off. Saludo po sa inyong lahat for your hard work and dedication. We salute our parents. Nasaan kayo? Nairapos din. Well, I tell you, celebrate today because tomorrow, I have news for you. There will be more challenges. Palakpakan natin yung challenges. Andiyan na yan eh. But really, what do you expect after graduation? Of course, we're all thinking it's a new chapter, no? After graduation, do you expect to travel abroad? Marry your boyfriend or girlfriend? Or find a job? Did you expect that after graduation, life will be easier or harder? And I will tell you that life will not get easier. But neither will it get harder. It will be different. A different kind of challenge, which you may want and actually you will need it. That is if you want to continue to grow. If you want to continue to grow. So expect the following after graduation. You may not have difficult subjects anymore, but I promise you, work will be quite challenging. Kulang kayo sa budget? Ayan, kulang pa rin sa budget. Problema sa relationships are forever, unless you're a hermit. No man is an island after all.
Hindi, pwede naman.
Vanessa May T. Antonino. Denise Crisette E.
Celebration at Narcissus.
Hi! Good evening, Mami Tess is here. Okay guys, so andito kami tonight sa Narcissus. Okay, we will not be attending a wedding kasi para siyang wedding venue, ano. Andito kami to celebrate Vanessa's graduation. Okay, Tabalo. This is a nice place. Tabalo, para siyang wedding venue talaga. Yan. like a wedding venue. Pag ganyan siya. Oh. Pero hindi kami dyan, guys. We're gonna look for the restaurant kasi my children and grandchildren are waiting for us. Okay? So I'm on my way. I'm there. Naririnig ko na sila. I can hear JR singing in the karaoke. Wow. It's a beautiful place. I don't know where they are. Evening. Sana sila. Wow. Ay, ang ganda naman. I don't know where are my children. Wow. Ay, nako. Puhanan kita tuloy. Oh, nakalagay? Ano nakalagay dyan? You are loved forever. Here they are. It's too loud. Hi! Dito na yung mga anak. Kanina pa. Oh, akala ko. Smile naman, hindi naman kayo nagsa-smile. Smile naman. Ikaw ulit. Kayo.
Tingnan sparking ka.
Yung side view, side view.
Bombastic side eye.
Mamita yung sa photo.
Talaga.
Mamita.
Ay,
What if nag-frame na, no?
ay naga. Ah, bulalo to na. Bulalo. Ano to? Ang sarap.
Busog na siya.
Micah. Tapos ko to.
Ano to? Hindi, ano yan? Anong tawag yun? Ano yan? May nag-ambag na. Hindi, ito ano to?
Potato.
Fries.
Oh, fries.
Potato strips.
Boss, thank you.
I'm done eating. Sarap dito, guys. Sarap dito. Bago lang, this is the first time to be here at Narcissus. And I like it. And also the children like it. So we'll see kung ano yung kanilang
Buhay pa?
ano na, kamusta na? Well, so far, what's the best? What's the best for you?
Best one is
Lahat?
this one.
As in lahat?
This.
Hindi, very specific. This one, the bulalo. The buto.
Sisig.
Ano ba yun? So far, anong pinakamasarap? Ano ba yung puti? Ano, Joy? Ba't nag-usap-usap pa kayo na mag-black kayo?
Ganun talaga kami magkakapatid. Kami nga magkakapatid din naka-vlog.
Oo, si...
Ano ka, ampol?
si Olsen, hindi naman eh. Oh, yeah.
Kapatid?
Oo. Ay, si Yen. Ano, Jack? Ano masarap so far? Ay, this one. Ensaladang talong. Yan, sa'yo yan. So far, anong masarap? Tofu? Ay, Virgilio Tejada Jr. Ano masarap? So far, ano masarap? Ay, grabe, chicken mo. Ang laki niya na. Aba, hindi mo yung makausap. Hindi na makausap. Grabe, seryoso sa akin. Bea, ito na lang yung kakausapin ko. Ano masarap lang yan? Ano masarap? Bea, do you like it? Approve? Thumbs up? Sammy, what about you? Thumbs up? Skyla, thumbs up? Yummy? Thumbs up? Very good. Wala na, ubos. Taob yung tofu. Tofu to.
May balak ata mo kanina.
Ano to na? Ano to? Sisig, o to. Ay, naku po. Enjoying lang. Yan, what are you doing? You like the lights? Do you like the lights?
Yeah.
You like? Yeah, I like the lights. Yeah, the place is beautiful. Think so? Bakit kayo dun? Yeah. That's right. Yan. Picture. Ganda naman ako. Ganda na kuha ah. Ganda. Para ka may wings, Bal. Ayan o, si Bala may wings. Yan yung aming celebration.